Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Oh, 67 years old ka na pala, ate. But you are not looking old. You are looking young. Oh my goodness. It's good. Anyway, happy birthday, ate. More blessing to come, more birthday to come, and good health. And don't stress too much so that you are looking always young, okay? Be happy and enjoy yourself, enjoy your life. Okay? Pasensya ka na kung medyo namumungay ng mata ko kasi inaantok na ako. At saka pasensya na kung iyan lang ang regalo ko muna sa'yo. Hayaan mo sa susunod babawi ako. At saka sorry kung hindi tayo masyado nag-uusap kasi paalis na naman ako itong 22, kaya medyo busy ako. Huwag ka mag-alala. Pag hindi na ako busy, ako mismo ang tatawag sa iyo. At hindi ko kayo makakalimutan, nandito kayo sa puso't ko. Ano man ang kailangan nyo, andito lang ako, te. Basta kaya ko, I will help you. Basta mag-iingat kayo lagi dyan. At saka, enjoy your birthday today, okay? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, te. Enjoy your life and enjoy yourself. And regards to all of you there. God bless you all. Love you, te. I miss you. Bye.